Napaka-aesthetic naman talaga. Iba talaga pag may cook in the house. Thank you, Randy, RJ, and Al. Woohoo! Get loud! Lord, thank you for a wonderful morning. And salamat sa nag-prepare ng food. May this give us strength for the day. At guide nyo kami sa pag-uwi din namin later, na makauwi kami sa tahanan namin ng safe and sound. We thank you for everything, and amen. Let's go, let's go.
Bato.
Kaya muna tayo, guys. Busog ba lahat? Walang sumagot? Busog. Let's go, let's go. Walking in the forest.